Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, as the title says, today we will be unbagging our IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. And for those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave all the information down below so that if you decide you would like to try it out for yourself, all the information on the different tiers will be down below. Okay, now this is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus bag of the month. Okay, and when we reach inside, we pull out our, not description, but our information card. And this says our theme for the month is Pretty Wicked. Okay, and it says fangs out, lipstick on. This month, embrace the unconventional. Vampy lips, rich shadows, pitch black manis, and you might just, oh my God, and you might just vomit some more. Okay. When we open it up inside, it gives us some DIY steps for 3 easy makeup looks for your Halloween makeup, okay? Now we're gonna press pause right there. Don't forget to go in and make sure you enter the giveaway. Today is the last day before we do our drawing to find out who the winner is. And then that way you can use some of these steps right here to create the look using those products. I did leave the link above for that, okay? Now, let's just jump in and see what's inside. Okay, the first thing that I pull out is Easy on the Eyes, and this is a clay liner. This is what it looks like in the packaging, and it says hashtag Sugar Squad at Sugar Rush, and this is a Sugar Rush beauty item, and it says 16-hour wear, waterproof, smudge proof, ophthalmologist tested, and it has a built-in sharpener. And this is a cruelty-free and vegan item. So when we take it out of the packaging, this is what it looks like. Okay? There we go. And the shade that I have, of course, is black. Oh, and that's a nice black. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Okay, and it says that it has a 12-month shelf life. Alrighty, so that is item number 1. The next item that we have is go to the Removalist with Canoline clay and zinc oxide, and it says a detoxifying clay mask for a complete clean out. The size is a 2.2 fluid ounces. It is not tested on animals. It has a 12-month shelf life. It actually says best if used by February 2023. And it says face feeling a bit clogged, bit overused, bit unloved, bit dull, congested, cranky. We know that feeling. So we made a clarifying mask for big time clean outs. No pore left behind. And all without that tight clay mask after feel. Why should freshly detoxed skin mean tight, uncomfortable skin? Not on our watch. Ours hydrates as it deep cleans. You'll see. This is what the outside packaging looks like, which I know you really don't care, but I just want you to know what you would be looking at. And this is what the inside package looks like. Okay. Alrighty, and that is item number 2. Then item number 3 is my beauty brand times by me. And this is a brow wax and brush. Okay. This is what the product actually looks like. And it says it has a 12-month shelf life. Let's just take the paper off. Okay, and here it is without the plastic on it. Now, it says it has a brush. This is very interesting because it looks like those makeup brushes that recently came to light. Okay, can you see that okay? See? And this is what the product itself looks like. It is an actual wax. Okay, and that is item number 3. Item number 4 is by Murad, and this is the Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. And this is a 0.5 fluid ounce size. I almost thought it was a sample size, but it is not, because this is a eye cream. Okay, and you know the eye creams tend to be smaller. Okay, and this one says ultra nourishing eye cream, hydrates and targets signs of aging, advanced peptides and retinol, visibly firm and minimize the look of lines and wrinkles. Eye brightening complex reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for brighter, younger looking eyes. Okay, and this one has a 6-month shelf life, and this is what the inside pack looks like. Okay, it does have the push top, and the only thing I do not like is it does not lock into place. So, alrighty. It says to use AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area. Okay, be careful not to get it in your eye. Okay, and this one is item number 4, and the last one. Okay, let me tell you something. I have one of these and I really, really like it. I love my Viseart professional makeup, because that was the first totally matte palette that I ever received, and the colors were amazing. The color payoff was amazing. And so this time I received another travel one. Okay, it's not a travel size, it's just travel friendly. Okay, and this is the Petite Pro, and it is 8 grams or 0.28 ounces, and it has 8 shades. This is the outer packaging, this is the back, so you can get a close-up sample peek of the colors. And it has a 36-month shelf life. This is what the packaging itself looks like on the inside, with Viseart on the other. And it has this little pull piece right here so that you can open it, and of course there is a mirror inside. Okay, see the mirror. And these shades are kind of close to what I had before, but I like the earth tones. Oh, and you know, I didn't realize this with the other palette, but it's actually reusable because you can lift the pans right out. So let's just swatch. I have a feeling my daughter is going to try her hardest to get this one. So we'll do a shimmer shade and a very nice matte, and we'll do the white. Okay. Here we go. Look at that color payoff. I'm telling you, there's just amazing. It is so amazing. See? Okay. That is the last item in our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now, I have to admit, I do love the products that I received. I am going to enjoy trying out some new items, okay? Because there are some brands here I never heard of before, such as these three here. Never heard of these before, but that's quite all right. It's great to be introduced to some new items. So, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. All of the items that were included are here. Down below, you'll see the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.